Hello friends, in this video I will teach you that how to use voice typing in Google Docs. So you can see I have few documents, so I will use this document. Okay, so that's actually great feature that you can use in your Google Docs document. So you can just speak in your microphone and Google Docs will type the same text in your document. So make sure the first thing, like, you are using Google Chrome browser for this purpose, and second thing, now when you have opened the document, you can go to the tools option in the menu, and here you can see voice typing. So you can click here or just Control Shift S, that is the keyboard shortcut key you can also use for this purpose. See, Control Shift S, if I press, so this will open. And the second thing, it will ask you to use your microphone, so you will allow Google Docs to use your microphone. So just click on allow, and now see, I have professional experience in graphic designing, web development, video editing, digital media marketing. See, each and everything. So once you have done, so you can click here. See, it also typed this thing, so whatever you speak in the microphone, Google Docs will write it for you. So once it done, now whatever you want to remove, for example, so you can also remove that text. So this is a very great feature, voice typing you can use in Google Docs. So I hope you have learned about this feature. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thanks once again.